In this 2-Minute Tuesday, I will introduce you to Xmind. Xmind is a mind mapping application that allows you to brainstorm ideas and present them in a visual fashion. Hi everyone, Alberto here with BIM Lounge, and in this video I will show you the top 3 reasons why I use Xmind on a daily basis. Stay tuned because in the next video I will show you tips and tricks so you can be proficient at Xmind. Now, a quick disclaimer, Xmind did not sponsor this video. I'm just very passionate about the tool as it supports all my workflows. Now let's start with the 2 minutes. Number 1, it's graphic and immediate. How many times have you heard the expression, I'm a very visual person? Well, who isn't, right? Especially in our industry. Well, you know that it takes time to put together pictures and graphs and present them to somebody. Xmind allows you to show and brainstorm ideas in real time. Number 2, it clarifies ideas and ramifications in your head. It's obvious that if you clarify the idea in your head first in a graphic manner, then it's also easier to present that to your audience. Number 3, it's modular, which means that you can start with a simple one-level structure and then expand to minor branches gradually, so your audience is not overwhelmed. So how's this SubM Related application? Well, think about it. In the AEC environment, we're all process people, and we all have to deal with having to sell ideas and processes to visual people. So this to me makes perfect sense. Now, as a bonus, let me share with you a couple of tree structures that I typically use on a daily basis. One is the simple radial tree structure that allows me to brainstorm ideas when I first start thinking about a process. And the second is the timeline. And that really helps with things like project schedules and simply put ideas and tasks on a timeline. Now, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.